Says out, we have Super Wind, fast to begin, business class, moving a party out, so now is Master Babu. Inspiration is Badrel, Win Lane, Ayanako, and on the outside, Queen's King, Forever Young, District 3, Flyboy, Easy Lover, Okidoki, and Piece of My Wish, last of all. Into the turn they go, Master Babu by about 2 lengths. Super Win in second, then on the outside third, Win Lane, moving up business class to take fourth, Inspiration in fifth. Ayanako is down in 6, Forever Young 7, Queen's Kings on the outside 8, District 3, Flyboy, Easy Lover, Piece of My Wish, and Okidoki still racing in last. And that's the Master Babu by about 2.5 lengths. Business class now to take second. Super Win drams back in third. Ayanako now to take fourth. Win Lane in fifth. Moving up Forever Young, Queen's King, Inspiration, District 3. Easy Lover, Flyboy, Piece of My Wish, and Okidoki. Business class takes the lead. Moving up on the outside now is Ayanako to take the lead as they come to the last 200. Ayanako by about 2 lengths. Business class, Master Babu, Forever Young on the outside, last 75 meters. Ayanako by about 6 lengths. And finally, Ayanako, Forever Young, Business class, Easy Lover. Then comes Queen's King.
Yan nga po muli ang pagkakapanalo ni Ayanako for